Thank you to everybody for being here, and welcome to
Camp EDI is a roughly 2-week preterm orientation where students come, they meet each other, they work on a project. The goal of Camp EDI is to give everybody a foundation and all of the skills they are going to need.
That might work super well.
They're learning stuff in the shop like the laser cutter, hand tools, woodworking.
There are workshops including SolidWorks, Viscom, Figma is another one.
We're getting a lot of exposure to new tools and also learning how to market ourselves, how to collaborate.
If you took like a little,
We're building a lot on many different skills at the same time. Prototyping and iterating and failing and then going back, starting over.
I'm working on a project that involves programming and circuitry.
Red wire will go to here.
I have a little bit of knowledge, and so I'm able to help people who have less knowledge than me, and other people have more knowledge, and they're able to help me. And so we're all succeeding with the help of each other.
I didn't think I'd bond with people in my cohort this quickly, but everyone here has been like so kind and welcoming.
It's been awesome being able to help them along the way and have them have those aha moments.
It's sort of like ramping up on a treadmill until you get to full speed.
We know the resources, we know the building, we know what's available to us.
Camp EDI is a space between their past experience and this future opportunity that they have ahead of them. We see the confidence that students have built just in that short time that they've spent with us, and they really hit the ground ready to go.